Guys, let's check out this mobile setup on 1 minute time frame. It is a simple mobile setup, and of course, if you have been following up with my videos, you will notice that I've been using it in my videos for a while. Okay, so I'm going to share it with you right here in this video so that you will understand how it works. Yeah, it can work also on 1 minute time frame. Okay, we will be checking it out right away. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to my platform. Watch my videos, learn my strategies, practice very well on your demo account, and try it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. First of all, let me show you the setup. Okay, so this is the setup. It is very simple. This is the first one on the main chart. The second one on the main chart, you can do the screenshot and have it done on your account. Okay, and of course this is for the window indicator, and this is the second one on the window indicator. Okay, so this is very important. Now I will be taking it down to 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this is 1 minute time frame. The first thing you need to consider on 1 minute time frame is the window indicator. Okay, if the window indicator is giving you this signal that the trend has actually got into above 70, okay, and you got this downward crossing, and go to your main account and check out if there is a downward crossing right there. If there is, then you should know that the market will sell. Okay, so you can easily come in and pick 5 to 10 minute candles. Okay, right from there, each time you notice this, you can come in and pick 5 to 10 minute candles, then you close your trade, and you can see this happens like that several times. Okay, this is another one, you can see it, and here is another one, and here is another one. Okay, so you guys can check this out and see how sweet this is in trading. The same thing is applicable for a buy, but for a buy, you know, it's going to be a spike for boom. Okay, but for crash, it's not going to be the normal trend. Okay, so once it is below 30, then you got an upward crossing right from there, and you also get from your place your order, and you will see series of spikes happening around there. Okay, just the way you are seeing it right now. Okay, so it is as easy as that. So you guys can go ahead and try this out from your end and let me know if it truly works out for you. Also, with this you can be making $20 to $50 on daily basis. I will be stopping right here. Make sure you try it out. Let me know how it works from your end so that we can trash it out together. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.